So real quick, I was going through some of my older footage and I found some behind the scenes of a football game I shot a couple weeks ago and thought it was kind of cool and wanted to put it together for everybody to put on my channel and show you kind of what it looks like down on the sidelines shooting a football game. And I'm not a pro at that. Like I said, I enjoy doing it. They asked me to do it and I said I'd do it. And I've slowly become in love with it. I really enjoy shooting sports, so here is a little bit of behind the scenes of a South Stanly High School football game. Thanks.
A holding call against the offense. They got to move the ball back. Hand off up the middle. And he's down. That'll be a loss of yards. That'll be at second down. Hand off up the middle. And he'll be met back in the line of scrimmage. That'll bring up fourth down with 3 to go for South Stanly. It's going to be short punt. And it's going to take a roll back to about the 40 yard line. It'll be a first down for the Yellow Jackets.
Get in that gap, show it.
And we've got a flag on the field.
Quiet! Trip! That trip, don't let that not there. That trip, don't let that not there.
Flag's going to be students. And we have an interception. Number 14, Mason Wilson for the interception.
Stay fast. Where you at? Oh, there you are, huh? No, not tonight. Not that dedicated.
You want to turn it off?
Where'd she go?
All right, guys, let's cheer them on. Here we go. Second down in the scoring position. Let's go, Bulls! And there's a touchdown to South Stanly! Got a flag. All right, South Stanly set the kick. And it's up.
gotta be 5 feet. You already know.
He's going to get the ball carried.
That's hard work right there.
About the 44-yard line. Quarterback back for pass.
Their speed flex is soft like. When I hear the speed flex, I don't feel it. You know that? We good. Come on. Why now,
Level pass. We've got a flag in the play.
Do it. Sorry, baby. Shot one, two.
Go back to pass. Pass is caught. Back for pass.
Yeah, pop.
Go, Taylor! Down!
Number 5 for South, who rolls right. Hand off to Key Holden. Put back for pass. That's going to be incomplete. Quarterback goes deep for pass. And the pass going to be intercepted. We'll bring second down with about 2 yards to go. Left. Be down for 5-yard loss. Ball's going to be marked at the 32-yard line.
Check, check, checky, check.